Good day, tutor y colleagues. My name is Giovanni Jimenez. I am 40 years old. I was born in the department of Tolima. I live in the city of Bogota. I study Regent in Pharmacy in the University UNA. I work is drugstore. The drugstore has two cash registers, a mini merch, and warehouse where the medicaments are stored. My family is my of if my wife Catherine, my daughter Maria Jose, and my cat Kiara. My wife's work is in portfolio analyst, and she studies administration. She is very intelligent. My daughter is 10 years old in his fourth grade. She's always run first in I for my cat of the strings as she has like win in sport and months. My favorite pasatiempo is listening to music, wind and rings. And words I play soccer with my friends.